Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be doing my first Valentine's Day set of the year. I'm going to be doing something quick, something simple. I'm seeing a lot of encapsulated sets recently, so that's what I'm going to go for. To adhere my nails, I'll be using the Born Pretty 6-in-1 nail glue. To do this, I might have to do it off camera because the way I do it is with the the mini UV light in my mouth, because I don't have one of those fancy, gooseneck lamps. So I'm gonna have to do this off camera and I'll be back. The tips I'm using are the P Vadco tips, which are my favorite. One thing I'll say is that I think they changed them a little bit. The shape is a little bit off. The last pack I ordered, the sizes are different. They're a little bit off and the shape is also a bit weird. It's like not square. Sorry if I can't get my words out. There's a bird outside just completely throwing me off. So change of plans, I won't be using the 6-in-1 nail glue because these have a little bit of an apex and my nail bed on my thumb anyway is super flat. So I'm going to be switching to the Nail Couture bubblegum gel, and I pretty much apply this the same way as the 6-in-1 nail glue. I put the lamp in my mouth. I do need to get myself one of those lamps. I don't know what's going on outside. I'm gonna hope that whoever's screaming is okay. For the bubblegum gel, I like to scoop a little bit out. I just push it down slowly. I make sure that there is no bubbles. With this, you get a couple of seconds. You can pretty much shift it around if you need to. As you can see, it's not lifting up just yet. It started to lift. I like where it is, so I'm going to cure it. This is how I do it. I apply the rest the same way. Once I'm done, I move it into my bigger lamp for the final cure, and then I cut it down if I need to cut it down. I shape it and do all that good stuff, but I'm going to apply the rest off camera and I'll be back. I'm going to go in with these stickers. I got these from AliExpress. They might have them on Shein, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm going to link it down below. I'm just going to stick them randomly all over the nails. I'm going to see what I want to go with as far as a pattern, but I'm going to do that on camera, but I'm going to be quiet to do it because I know if I speak, I'm going to mess it up. So I'm undecided if I want to do this whole style across all of the nails, but because I'm undecided on that, the next part that I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some of these red hearts in between the angels. And to do this, I'm probably going to adhere the hearts using a little bit of this 6-in-1 nail glue. How I'm going to cure this is I'm actually going to cure it on the underside whilst holding a little bit of pressure on here. Before I cure it, I'm going to add the other one and see if I like the placement and see if I want to add any more. I'm going to try and show you how I cure this on camera. It's a little bit hard, but I'm going to try it anyway. So I just flip my finger upside down and then I just put the lamp on it. My lamp is just going out. I don't know what is wrong with it. There's Duracell batteries in here that I put in here not too long ago and it just always flickers. But then once I've had it on there for a little bit, I kind of put pressure on it so that the ends can cure flat as well. I had to put my finger down for this one because I couldn't quite use my hands to do it. That's just how I keep them flat. I will be actually going over this whole set with a thick top coat so that everything can lay in there nicely, but I do want them to be flat, so I'm going to do this step as well. For these two fingers, I'm going to experiment what I think I want to do on my thumb. I pretty much want to try some sort of layering, so I'm going to put the glitter on here, then put a layer of top coat, then apply the stickers. I'm hoping that how it is in my head is how it's going to come out, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to try and only scoop out the thin parts of glitter. Actually, that's not even going to work, so I'm going to try somehow to only get the smaller pieces of glitter. I don't want those big chunks, but I just want a little bit of glitter. I don't want too much. I don't want to pack it too much onto the nail. I don't know if I had said this in my last video or not, but it just happened and it just reminded me. But my nail lamp keeps turning on by itself. Like, it's some real creepy stuff. Like, it just randomly turns on. I'm wondering if it's breaking. I realized this a few weeks ago. I was just walking down the hallway and my nail room was blue. And I'm like, there's no way that my lamp is on. There's just no way. And then I came in here and it was lit up and I'm like, what's going on? But it just keeps turning on by itself. I've had to, now I just turn off the whole entire lamp. But does anyone know why that happens? Because it's kind of scary. All I'm doing right now is moving the slightly bigger pieces of glitter around so that they're not all packed together. Once I like the placement of it, I'm going to put it in my big lamp to cure. The good thing about my lamp not turning off is it's always ready when I need it. So it's 24 hours later, I've lost one and I top coated these two because I spilled I spilled chrome powder everywhere and I unfortunately hadn't top coated them, and I was scrubbing these nails trying to get the chrome off the stickers and it wouldn't work. So I ended up top coating it, went to bed, and now I'm here to complete the set. Unfortunately, there is a bit of chrome powder trapped in those nails. I'm hoping once I'm finished with the set that you won't see it very much, but I'm gonna repair this one and put this nail back on and I'll be back. For my middle finger, I was thinking of doing some rhinestones. I've picked out a placement over here on this nail file. I think it might be a bit too long, so I'm just gonna see how it turns out. I hope it fits, because if not, I gotta think of a whole different placement and I'm not trying to do that. For the pinky, I pretty much did the same thing as what I did on the thumb. I'm hoping I showed it because I'm recording this a whole day later. I don't actually remember what I showed, but if I didn't show it, I just sprinkled some glitter onto the nail. Then I'm gonna apply some top coat and add the hearts. Once I've placed them where I want, I'm going to cure it. I'm not really worried about laying these flat because it's on a skinnier nail and it's going to be a bit more trouble to try and get to lay flat. I'm going to use the Dom Top from Nail Couture. It's a really thick top coat and it helps seal in stuff like this. So I'm not too fussed if they don't lay down flat. I showed it a few videos ago. It's just a really thick top coat and it will be perfect to encapsulate those not flowers, I mean those hearts, so that they don't stick out. I put on some cuticle oil and this is how the set is looking. Let me know what you guys think. Last night when I went to bed with just the 2 nails done, I was kind of thinking this set isn't going to look good clear, but I am really liking it. I almost wanted to redo it and just put a nude down and start the set all over again, but I'm glad I didn't. I really like the clear look to it. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching.